high class. Today we'll look at the fundamental model of network security. This model has 4 key components. First, the cryptographic system. Second, the firewall. Third, anti-malware software. And finally, the intrusion detection system, or IDS. Of these 4 security components, on our personal computers, we usually need to install cryptographic systems, a firewall and anti-malware protection, while the IDS is typically installed at the organization's network gateway. Now, let's continue with cryptographic systems. Cryptographic systems protect data during network transmission. They're the main defense mechanism for data confidentiality and integrity, built on the principles of computer cryptography. These include encryption protocols, data authentication protocols, and key management protocols. We typically use E to represent the encryption algorithm, D for the decryption algorithm, K for the key, M for plain text, and C for cipher text. In this diagram, we can see the plain text M undergoes encryption using algorithm E and key K, producing cipher text C. This cipher text C travels through the internet. Once at its destination, the cipher text C is processed with the decryption algorithm and key K to restore the original plain text. This illustrates the basic workflow of a cryptographic system. Now, let's turn to firewalls, anti-malware solutions and intrusion detection. Firewalls, anti-malware, and intrusion detection systems protect both LANs and networked computers from internal threats. Key defense mechanisms protecting data security and integrity. So what is a firewall? A firewall monitors network traffic by inspecting data packets. It blocks any potentially harmful packets. FPGA hardware can be used to boost processing speed. What about malware protection? It scans all system files to detect any malware or malicious code, then quarantines or removes infected files. What about intrusion detection? It tracks all system login activities, monitoring network traffic and user behavior patterns, detecting subtle signs of intrusion within massive datasets, instantly alerting system admins when breaches occur. This covers the fundamental framework of network security. That concludes our overview of this security concept.